teacher this year. This is my 18th school year in the district and my 3rd year at Strong Vincent Middle School. We have a new curriculum this year through Ready Math, and we have 2 textbooks. You'll have your instruction book, and you will have a practice and problem-solving book. In addition to our textbooks, we have an online program through iReady. You can access the iReady app through your Schoology page. You log into iReady with your student ID as your username and your password. I have extra help on Monday afternoons from 2:45 to 3:10. You can access the Zoom link on your Schoology page. If you have any questions or concerns, you can email me at jbferrar@eriesd.org. That's jbferrare@eriesd.org.
Greetings, I'm Mrs. Little, and this is my 24th year in the Erie School District. I'll be teaching 8th grade English. So far, it's been a real pleasure to work with your students. Our materials include a brand new book. It's a consumable book for the students, and it's a literature book. And we also have a grammar book, and we'll be utilizing both. We'll be studying things like poetry, novel, short story, nonfiction, writing, and grammar. Please make sure that you are doing your literacy board every day. Some are graded and some are not. Please make sure that you're on time, and my extra help night is Tuesday from 2:45 to 3:10. Hope to see you if you need help.
Hi, good afternoon or good morning. My name is Mr. Bryant, and I am the APOD 8th grade science teacher. Very quickly, this group will tell you that I am the communicator of the group. I probably talk more than anybody else. So expect phone calls, expect emails, and I'll be in touch with you at some point in time. Next, last year as 7th graders, your students started to work on some biology information. This year, they will be continuing that. We have 2 different textbooks that are available online to them in the classroom, Life Science and Populations and Ecosystems. They have a standard format that they follow every day in class, a daily question, some classwork that may include discussions, and then we wrap with a ticket out the door. My extra help is Wednesdays from 2:45 until 3:10. My email is dbryan@eriesd.org.
Hi, I'm Dan Scully. I am the 8th grade social studies teacher for the 8A pod. We will be learning about early American history, which will span from the beginning of the exploration to the end of the Civil War. We'll talk about government, we'll talk about economics, we'll talk about a number of issues. The students can find their work for me in the Schoology page. Every day, the assignment will be placed in a folder, a weekly folder, and their work will be there. The link to everything they will need for that class period is attached. Our book is available online, and I've gone over with all of the students how to access that. I also have a Remind app that I had asked the students to respond to. If you would like that information, you can email me at dscully@eriesd.org, and we will use that as a way of communicating more frequently. I also will call and make emails.
Hi, my name is Amy Prozek. I am the learning support teacher for Pod 08A. My role in this pod is to ensure accommodations and modifications are in place for students with needs and are able to reach the 8th grade curriculum and perform to his or her best abilities. With that said, during the school day, I co-teach in each of the 4 content classes, and I'm able to support your child in class, hold small groups, and provide one-on-one instruction and help, all while assisting and supporting your teachers. If your child is receiving services, on your child's Schoology page, there is a course titled Specials. That Specials course will have all of my contact information, extra help hours. Please call and email me if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.
I'm going to address the synchronous versus asynchronous educational time. We have gotten some emails from parents who are concerned about the time that their kids are online. Our school day runs from 8 to 2:45, and as you heard, we all do extra help from 2:45 to 3:10. My day is on Thursday. The students are expected to be in class for the 75-minute period of time. Part of that time is synchronous. So first period begins at 8 o'clock and goes until 9:15. From 8 until 9, they are going to be working with the teachers. We'll be teaching. We may give them an assignment to do during that time period, but they are to stay in the room and to be working with us on that assignment. We'll be chatting. A lot of different ways that we'll be presenting material. The last 15 minutes of class is asynchronous time. That asynchronous time will be a time period where the students will have an assignment given to them. The expectation is they will be working on it at that time. If they have questions, they can message or email the teachers. We will usually give them a couple of minutes in between classes at the end of that class to allow them to get a break for the bathroom or get a drink or just get up and stretch, because we do realize it's very difficult to sit in front of a computer for 75 straight minutes, 5 periods a day. We would expect that the kids would be on time. First period is at 8 o'clock, second period at 9:15. Third period begins at 10:30. Fourth period begins right after lunch at 12:15. And last period begins at 1:30. They are to stay in class until they are dismissed by their teachers. Ms. Farrar?
We have all of our classes in Zoom. While we respect your privacy, we would appreciate it if all students would show their faces. We'd love to see your face, hear your voices, so we can get to know you better. Mr. Bryan?
There have been some questions and concerns about grading and how things are working with Schoology and Infinite Campus. The school district has provided us with a syncing method to get the grades from Schoology into Infinite Campus. The grades in Infinite Campus are the ones that you need to look at. Some teachers will be taking grades and manually moving them. Some teachers will be using the sync method to get the grades from Schoology to Infinite Campus. In either case, Infinite Campus is the final word when it comes to the grades. If you need help accessing Infinite Campus, please make sure you contact the counselors.
Thank you very much for visiting us, and have a great year.
Take
Bye.
care.
Bye.